Hello everybody, my name is ItalyVA and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make this simple Deepslate generator using Create and Create Ultimate Factory. Now, I tried to make this as compact as possible, but the way it works is pretty simple. Cobblestone generator, cobblestone gets put on this depot, which gets funneled into this basin that has lava, gets compressed, mechanical arm moves it into your collection system. This farm makes about 7,000 Deepslate an hour. You could probably make more by having just a bunch of random stuff. I don't know how to do that. 7,000 is already way more than I need. And in this video, we're going to be showing you how to build this machine block by block. This should be all the materials you need for the farm. Alright, so to start this tutorial, you're going to need a 3x3 space that is 4 blocks tall. Personally, I have the 4th block run under the ground. So, we're going to start by placing a chest and a chute for our collection system. We'll place a depot on the side and a mechanical drill facing in, which should look something like this. We'll get an encased fan going this way, and then 3 encased chain drives going along that, a vertical gearbox, and a mechanical press. So, to recap, this encased chain drives vertical gearbox. Make sure the vertical gearbox is facing this so it can transfer the momentum to these. We're going to want to place a shaft and a cogwheel. And we're going to save the mechanical arm for last once we have everything placed. We'll place a double chest here. This is where all your Deepslate is going to end up at. And now we can, let's see. We'll get our framed glass trapdoors, our water and lava. We'll place one trapdoor there. We'll place one trapdoor there. We will place a temporary block of any sort. I'm just going to do cobblestone. Seems the easiest. And then I think at some point I have something running under this. Let me just verify. Yep, we just have another glass trapdoor. So these should be completely enclosed. Fluid shouldn't be able to escape. We'll get a lava bucket here. And this lava bucket will also serve to bulk smelt all of our cobblestone. And we'll have a water bucket there. So that's our cobblestone generator. We're also gonna have, let's see, trying to do this all off memory, even though it's probably not a great idea. We'll place our basin here, and we're gonna filter it for Deepslate only. We're also gonna need a stone to filter our brass funnel, which we'll have coming out, filtered to stone. We'll have a brass funnel going in, also filtered to Deepslate. And we're also going to place a depot here with a brass funnel coming out. Oh, whoops. Brass funnel coming out with exactly 64. So that way it does exactly a stack at a time. What else do we need? Ah, yes. Okay. So, you could have your power run through this cogwheel. However, I like to have a encased chain cogwheel here, just kind of for aesthetic. Now, obviously, you're probably going to be running your power under this, but I'm just going to put a motor there when we're done. So, you're going to want to take from this depot and deposit to this depot. You're going to want to take from this basin and deposit items to that brass funnel. And we'll place this mechanical arm there. And then you're going to want to get your creative fluid tank, or for you, it would just be a lava source of some kind. Once again, I'm going to be using a pipe from the pipes mod. However, you can absolutely set this up using a create pipe system. We'll do that, and lava should flow into here. And now I think all we need to do is power it and see if it works. So you can run this at max speed. I think you'll get overflow at some point on here, but I don't really consider it much of an issue. So we're just going to place a bit of cobblestone to see it work. Cobblestone gets there, gets put onto this depot, which starts smelting it. Let me set the time today so y'all can see this a bit better. And then theoretically, once that smelts, it should go into this basin that compresses it into Deepslate. As you can see, it's compressing in the Deepslate, of which this mechanical arm is now inputting into our collection chest. I don't know why it does this. But that is how you build a simple Deepslate farm using Create and Create Ultimate Factory. Thank you for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed. I might be making more farm tutorials in the future, thinking about posting my wither skeleton farm design you can see over there. Did not mean to take screenshots, as you can see over there. Until then, have a great day. My name is Olivier, and I hope you enjoyed the video.